Some students took the opportunity for fun, but for others, it was mixed with fun and productivity. Taking both into consideration, the Grenada Community Service Summer School Library, located on Lucas Street, St. George's, has embarked on an environmental project with a focus on eco-friendly activities. The idea is to help young people to understand that changing their behavior is just one step in protecting our planet, and through the use of poetry, they are able to inform us on ways to protect, conserve, and save our environment.
Do you know there are different types of pollution?
Actually, there are 3 to be exact.
Air pollution occurs from fuels emitted by factories and cars, creating greenhouse gases that destroy our ozone layer.
Can you imagine what thousands of years of air pollution can do to our lungs, our earth,
our ecosystem?
Very soon, we won't be able to breathe. We'll have skin cancers because our ozone layer will be depleted. Secondly, there is water pollution, which causes the death of marine animals, such as turtles, which sees plastic like jellyfish, eats it and chokes, while other sea creatures get trapped in trash and die.
Finally, land pollution. We all do this.
Eat a snack.
Throw the wrapper waste in the drains, on the road, simply anywhere we like.
Help us stop pollution. We are small, but our impact can be great.
We love paper.
We love tissue.
We love furniture.
But we don't like trees.
Do you know their importance?
They provide the very animals we eat a home, a nesting ground.
The very same trees provide us with food and medication. Yet deforestation is still a thing.
That very same tree takes away carbon dioxide and releases oxygen for us to breathe.
What about rain? How do you think that occurs?
Family, friends, audience, let's stop this madness and conserve our world.
Do you know that corals are foundation species?
They are called foundation because they create and maintain a habitat for small marine species.
Have you ever heard of the parrotfish? These amazing fish clean the coral reefs. They are one of the reasons that sand exists on our beaches.
If they are killed, these corals will not be able to survive. Eventually, coral bleaching will occur due to the change in environmental conditions.
Let's save our coral reefs, avoid boat anchorage, and stop overfishing.
Deforestation.
There are so many animals on this earth of ours.
Yet every day a species disappears, not for a second,
Not for a minute,
but for
a lifetime.
We overpopulate the world with more beings like us.
We don't care about the animals or their habitats.
We have a letter for you. Dear adults, help us, your children, have a future. Give us the opportunity to see all the different species in the world.
Help us prevent droughts,
desertification, extinction, and retain our humanity. On pollution we were lectured.
Yeah, beautiful dolphins are injured.
Please, let's stop pollution.
You and I are the only solution. We can stop species extinction. We can win
By using a bin.
Mother Earth is crying.
On us she is relying.
Let's keep trying.
stop denying.
Pollution is real.
Earth can be healed. We can win
By using a bin.
The children were engaged in environmental activities using recycled material to craft eco-friendly products. An irrigation system was even made using plastic bottles, PVC pipes, and tape. To further demonstrate their creativity, they used styrofoams, plates, and cardboards to create decorative designs. Used tires were recycled to make tables and chairs that describe green earth and a polluted earth. And plastic and breakable bottles were recreated in ornamental designs. Daniel White is the teacher in the program.
During this program, I taught the students different aspects of the environment, how to conserve it, the ways in which we are destroying the environment, and how to prevent that, and how to become stewards of the environment. They did this by doing different activities, not only PowerPoint, but they also created different models of the environment and habitats and posters and so forth.
A first-time teacher says the students were very engaging and eager to know about the environment, focusing not just on the type of behavior that can affect the environment, but daily habits as well.
I'm a volunteer here. I teach the kids like 5 and 4 and under. So what we would have done together over the 4 weeks, we would have taken them outside, they'd have played games, they'd have done arts and crafts, they'd have drawn, colored, just different activities throughout the time. I would have read stories with them, you know, and they'd have asked questions that I've tried to answer, but I think they were all, the topic was the environment, you know, they knew they went on field trips and they learned different things about, for example, the coral reefs and plants and trees. I think throughout the 4 weeks, they'd have learned, well, to get along with each other, not only learning experience in terms of what the environment is, but also how to get along with each other, how to share, how to work together. I think these are all valuable lessons they would have taken home today.
One parent gave us her view of the project and how she believes it will benefit the participants.
It was a fun experience as well as educational. My daughter, she had a lot of fun, having with new friends and learning new things. And she would come home and talk about what she's learned. She would tell her grandparents or dad. And she would say what we need to do. We need to take off lights. We need to unplug the chargers. Things like that. So she has learned a great deal in this camp. I learned a few things myself. Seeing the children, talk about what they learn inside, the library when they get out there and they could identify things. It was good. It made the camp worthwhile.
How conscious are we about our environment and the dangers of our actions towards it? Do we understand the responsibility we play in protecting, preserving, and respecting our environment? Or do we think we are resistant to natural disasters? The 4-week community project is aimed at capacity development, specifically towards the environment. The main organizer is Michelle Warren.
This project was sponsored by the GEF, that stands for Global Environmental Facility. It's basically a summer school program, and we have 50 children enrolled. It's making them stewards of the environment, with our main theme being Become Conscious, Save the Environment.
Ms. Warren noted the increased pollution on the island has also influenced this project.
There is a lot of pollution going on, not just only here in Grenada, but throughout the world. And a lot of the young children aren't aware that they might be contributing to it. So we wanted to target children between the ages of 4 to 15 to help bring that awareness.
She says making the children environmental stewards is one of the fundamental goals.
Our main objective, as I said, is making children stewards of the environment. They are already very conscious of pollution. They are more conscious of throwing the litter in a bin. Some of them have never seen a coral reef before, and now they are aware of corals and the importance of that, right? They are aware of rainforests, the importance of the rainforest. Some of them, they might have heard it before, but now doing it 4 weeks, they are more aware, they are becoming more conscious of the importance of the environment.
These are some of the activities the students engaged in.
Goya and Joshua. We're from the Grenada Fund for Conservation, actually, which is an organization that deals a lot with mangroves. So this is one of our mangrove sites. Anyone know what a mangrove is?
Yes.
No? No. Nope? Okay. So mangrove is a special kind of tree that lives in the water. So there are 3 types of mangroves, and it's 3 colors, so you can remember it. The first is red.
And green and
No, those are the national colors. One is red, one is white, and one is black. So what are the 3 colors?
Red, white, and black.
So if you want to pick one, you can look at it. So this is what the white mangrove looks like.
Who here like birds?
Me.
You like birds?
Not me.
You don't like birds?
I like birds.
You like
I
birds?
like birds. Yeah, because they sing and dance.
Recycling officers. We are an organization here to teach you how to recycle waste and to retain our world back to the way it was. Please help us to stop pollution from destroying our world.
We are organic farmers. We help fruits and vegetables to grow so that we can eat. But if we pollute the soil, we can't eat or we might die.
I am a meteorologist. I maintain and inform the nation about the different weather changes and events.
We are marine biologists. We try to understand the marine ecosystem and ways to keep it safe and healthy.
We are water conservation specialists.
We recommend ways the nation can save water.
We are foresters. We are responsible for the growth and maintenance of our forests so that they won't be destroyed. These are the ways that will help save our environment.
Ms. Warren says the ultimate goal of this project is to make a difference.
We want them to just walk away with a consciousness, telling their parents, Mommy, please, let's use less plastic bags. You know, Daddy, when you go diving, don't kill the corals. They might be beautiful, but please don't kill them. Let's not use so much paper, right? Let's email, let's WhatsApp. Let's not print so much, right? Things like that. We want them to walk away with that consciousness. The little things that we do every day, right? Like just simply throwing a bottle in a drain, the detrimental effects of it on the environment. Like you have fishes and dolphins out there that will eat plastic bags and other metals and so on. And so these animals die, and eventually we would have species extinction. So we really want the children to walk away with that awareness.
Remember, our actions can endanger our tomorrow. So spread your knowledge and make a difference. Let's start saving the planet today.